Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tuna Mayo Onigirazu. Onigirazu is sometimes translated rice sandwich. If you're having trouble shaping your Tuna Mayo Onigiri into the signature triangle shape, try this one. This one is easier and a little bit healthier with some vegetables. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Some cooked Japanese rice. It's lukewarm, it's not cold. Lettuce, half cucumber, nori seaweed, canned tuna, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and some salt. I'm cutting the cucumber first. Let's cut the end off. I want to make very thin strips of cucumber, so let's make very thin slices of cucumber. Diagonal. Align them like this and then into thin strips. Put them on a paper towel. Spread it up a little bit. Sprinkle some salt. And leave this about 5 minutes to bring out the moisture. In the meantime, let's make tuna mayo. The canned tuna I'm using today is in oil, not in brine. And I don't want to make my onigirazu too oily, so I'm going to remove the oil as much as I can. Prepare a small bowl and tea strainer and let's strain this. Let's press it down to remove as much oil as I can. This much oil is removed. Let's put the tuna in another bowl. And mix it well until it's kind of fluffy. Like this, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Give it a nice mix. Tuna mayo filling is ready. Back to the cucumber. You can see it's wet and wilted. Prepare another paper towel and press it down to remove excess water. Prepare plastic film big enough to place your nori seaweed and nori seaweed on top. Nori seaweed has front side and back side, or shiny side and rough side. You're putting the rice on this rough side, not on this shiny side. So this shiny side can go outside and your onigirazu looks prettier. Place nori seaweed diagonally like this. Sprinkle some salt in the middle. About golf ball size rice on top of the salt. And spread it out into square shape. The size of this square is about 1/4 of the nori seaweed here, or a little smaller. Some lettuce, some cucumber. And remember how you put the cucumber. I put it this way, not this way. Tuna mayo filling on top. Another golf ball size rice. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Bring these 2 corners in. Push here in as you bring this corner up. Same for the other side. Push in as you bring the corner up. Wrap it up using this plastic film. Rather tight. Remember, cucumber is running this way. Flip it over. Cucumber still running this way. And let it sit for about 3 minutes. This way. Now I'm going to cut it into half this way. Cucumber is running this way, so I want to cut it this way so that it looks nicer when it's cut. Prepare wet cloth or paper towel to slightly wet your knife. Slightly wet, not too soggy. This will prevent rice sticking to your knife so that you don't squish your onigirazu. And Tuna Mayo Onigirazu is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in next video, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!